Hi, my name is Maria Catalina Gomez Amaya, and I will expose my virtual English project. This is English Virtual 2-3. This is me. I am 20 years old, and I was born in Bucaramanga, Santander. First, I am going to say the most important change in my appearance. My natural hair is brown, but I changed it to black 3 years ago. And today it is brown with a little blonde, as you can see in the pictures. This change is important because my appearance makes me feel good about myself, accepting me as I am, and makes me happy. Since I was born, I live in Bucaramanga, but in 2017 I came to live and study in Bogota. And started living only with my brother, away from my family and my friends. This is my parents, this is my brother, this is my family, and this is my cousins. Living by yourself brings many responsibilities and obligations. I have to buy my own food. I must keep clean where I live, and know how to manage my money they give me. It's very difficult is to be far from everything, but that makes me mature and grow. So it's good. Since that moment, I was become in a independent person that will be very useful in the future. The next change is in my personality. When I was a child, I was very serious and angry, but when I grew up, I became in a person calm and carefree. This helps me not to have problems with other people and live in peace. I practice Taekwondo since 2009. When I lived in Bucaramanga, I was a high performance athlete. I used to do a lot of sport, but I didn't know manage my time, and I didn't have the time for my study and other things. Now I have a equilibrate between sport, social life, and study. Today I am studying law at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana. Going from school to university was a big change. In the school, I was very irresponsible and relaxed. For this, I was a bad student, and my qualifications were bad. But in university, I learned to be more responsible and worry about study. Um, Fine. That's all. Now they know a little about my life. I hope you liked, and thanks.